Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the latest build of Windows 10 20H1. Build 18875 was released yesterday. Of course, I tested it out. First observations out of two computers running the updates. One is my Fast Ring Insider machine, and that Fast Ring Insider machine actually couldn't update. What happened? It rolled back to 18362, the May 2019 update. And since then, it's just giving me an error message, can't upgrade, can upgrade. I tried different things. So that one doesn't work. But this one that was already on a skip ahead easily updated to 18875, which is kind of interesting. So I don't know if it's a glitch from 18362 that's preventing it, or if it's simply 18875. The skip ahead, or the fact that skip ahead was already there, it's made it easier for the update. I don't know, but anyways, my skip ahead machine became a Fast Ring machine now with 18875. So at least I got one of two PCs actually updating to this build. The other one rolled back. So what's new in this build? Really nothing much. It's a bunch of bug fixes. There's still the same problems and the same things that you'll get. The green screen for non-updated anti-cheat software. There's the X5 sound card drivers that you need to update depending on the card you got. And still the Realtek SD card reader that doesn't work. This is part of this build. Nothing new apart from that. What I have to say is the install on this machine went well. On this machine, everything seems to work fine. And I haven't had any glitches, any problems. I've used it quite a lot since yesterday. Seems to be okay, but I've got really nothing much to talk about right now, considering there's really nothing new that's been added in here. So, of course, if you haven't noticed, yesterday skip ahead and Fast Ring merged. So now Fast Ring Insiders are moving ahead to 20H1. We're not really sure what's going to happen or how it's going to be tested for the 19H2, but there's speculations that slow ring could be used for that, and that there won't be that many builds. Of course, the speculations also saying that there would be a minor update this fall, and that every build that's the first half of a year is always the biggest build. So interesting stuff. There's a lot of things also that we're wondering. The fact that we're pushing much more to 20H1 coincides with the fact that Windows 7 will expire in January next year for updates. So that's going to be interesting, because I think they're trying to have a clear push to Windows 10 and trying to say to everybody, hey, look at this, this is the new version of Windows and so on. So anyways, we'll see what's going to happen. Like I said, nothing much. It works well, and really nothing much more than that to talk about for now, as new features are not yet really implemented in here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.